Rolling deep in the shadows, moonlight fades. Eyes blood red, lost in these midnight charades. Sip, hip, breathing, smoke heavy and slow. Wandering through life with no place left to go. Lost in the zone, where dreams blur the night. High on cloud nine, thinking about a better life. Talofa echoes, whispering in my ear. Searching for wealth, but the path's never clear. Sitting on the edge, just me and my smoke. Living for the moment, but haunted by broke. I see green in my mind, banked up in the haze. But the morning light keeps burning the prey. Lost in the zone, where dreams blur the night. High on cloud nine, thinking about a better life. Talofa echoes, whispering in my ear. Seeking wealth and happiness, but the cost is near. Eyes glued to the ceiling, thoughts never stray. Chasing the vision that keeps drifting away. Blunt rolling memories, my Samoan pride. But caught in a loop, nowhere left to hide. Lost in the zone, where dreams blur the night. High on cloud nine, reaching for a different life. Talofa echoes, grounded deep in my soul. Craving happiness and freedom to feel whole. In a haze of smoke, I see it all unwind. A life of love and peace, one of a kind. Drifting through cities, away from my roots. But the island's calm, my heart can't be